Alicia, it's 11:11.
Make a wish. Made it. So we have to talk.
About my album?
We have to talk.
I know we have to talk.
We have to talk.
I was talking on the...
Verbally. Audibly. We gotta talk.
Okay, okay.
Talk!
Okay!
Wait, let's get lunch today.
I'm trying to film, Alicia.
And I'm giving you content.
Oh my God. Hi guys, today is Friday. By 11, I've already posted everything. I've gotten all my stuff done pretty much like work-wise for the day. Alicia.
What? Am I ruining your
If you're gonna join, like
I'm trying
join.
to get a straw. I actually did that just to do that, like for me, not you.
Really? Today, or tonight really, I'm having some friends over for dinner. Jackson's coming and we're gonna barbecue because it is the opening ceremonies for the Olympics today. And we thought we'd like make a whole thing about it. The only thing is the house is kind of a mess. The downstairs isn't too bad. It just kind of needs to be like straightened up. But specifically my bedroom and my office are an absolute disaster. I haven't done a cleaning video in a while, so I thought it's about time. There is a girl on TikTok that I follow religiously. I cannot think of her handle. I'll try to find it, but you know how it is trying to find people on TikTok. Something she does is she cleans her entire place in the time that it takes to wash her bedding. So I think I'm gonna try to do the same thing. And all I need really to get in the zone is a good podcast. This has just been a fact for me since forever. I started the podcast Betrayal. It's about this woman who marries this guy who is not who she thinks he is. It's very like Dirty John-y, where he just has like a whole different side to him that she had no idea about. That's been very interesting. I think I'm gonna listen to that and really hone in on getting the work done. It's 11:16 right now. Let's get started. Taking a really quick break because we have something very exciting from Olive Atelier. I got this really beautiful stone piece along with this really gorgeous mortar. All of Olive Atelier's pieces are like actual stone. They're really heavy, they're really good quality. They're like refurbished and repurposed. They're seriously just beyond stunning, and I really think I can make a really cute centerpiece here. Guys, I'm so tired. It is now 2:52. It's almost 3. It took way longer to clean in the time frame of doing the sheets, but then also my duvet cover sometimes gets like balled up in the washing machine and it throws the sensor off. So when I went down thinking it was done, it actually had just been stuck. So I'm actually still waiting for it. It's in the dryer. But other than that, I cleaned everything. The entire downstairs, the kitchen, living room, washed all my bedding, cleaned my bedroom, and cleaned my office. I did the dining room and like the office part of the dining room. I'm actually really tired. All I want to do is take a nap, but I need to like shower and get ready but as exhausted as I am, I truly do think that a form of my like self-care and a form of my like mental health is deeply taken care of when I clean my space. I really love to try to like clean my space at least once a week, at least at the top of the week. It's my favorite thing to do. It really helps me decompress. I feel so productive. I feel so good. Everything feels clean, smells clean, and I just love the before and after. Plus, it's like an actual workout. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. If you guys enjoyed this, let me know if you want more cleaning content in the comments below. I'm happy to oblige. I do this on a weekly basis already, so all I would have to do is just like press record. So you just let me know and I'll do that for you. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. See you Thursday.